So this is the Starline Solaris on a 2018 TT. Works off a factory key and is also paired to your phone. So with your phone, you can go into the app, arm and disarm the vehicle in a Bluetooth range. So we'll just show you that. That arms the system, locks the vehicle, disarm, and also can be done through the key. That's the wrong key. So there we go, system's armed. We'll give it 10 seconds. This has tilt, motion and shock protection. So if someone applies a force to the vehicle, tries to jack it or tries to tow it away, it will go off and the alarm will trigger and the horn will go mad. So once again, this is the Starline Solaris system on this 2018 Audi TT. Has tilt, motion and shock protection for if someone applies a force, drags it away or tries to jack it. Fires the horn when it goes off. Also is viewable on the phone. So if we have a look now, you'll see if we arm the system, just turn the Bluetooth on. If we arm the system, you see it updates. If we disarm, see the bubble disappears. Now we'll open the driver's door. You can see that in the app. Same with the passenger door, bonnet and boot. We'll just arm it again, you'll see it's protected. We'll disarm it, turn the ignition on. See, we get the key. And now if we start it up, you'll see it will show the vehicle's running. This is the Starline Solaris package, tilt, motion and shock protection, horn firing, push sequence and phone paired immobilisation. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393 and we'll secure your vehicle. Thanks for watching.